Hey travelers, it's Jen, editor at Canadian Traveler magazine. I've just arrived in beautiful Barbados, checked into the Fairmont Royal Pavillion, and my suite is ground level and beach facing, so let's take a look at this gorgeous room. So typically I start my room tours with the front door, but I think this view really communicates the depth of this suite. And it's dark out, so I'll have to film that bit tomorrow morning. So basically we're starting in this really handsomely appointed sitting room, which has these kind of navy and ivory accents, kind of evoking that beachy feel. And you'll find in these suites some local Bayesian art. Love it. Love the colors, the illustration. It's fab. Moving on to this king size bed. Very lovely. And if you're interested in knowing what the plugins look like, you do not have to bring an adapter. We've got a writing desk over here. That's got a neat little feature. It turns into a vanity. Hi. I don't use a lot of aircon, so I'm glad to see there's a fan. There's a bar here. Fully stocked. That looks familiar to home. You can bet there's some rum in there. And we've got some really lovely pinstripe, feels like a light linen. Robes. Lots of storage. Come, stay a while, unpack. Love that the light kind of turns on there. Now this is an interesting feature. So I've got some athletic gear here from Reebok, and this is part of Fairmont Fit. So they asked me what shoe size I am, and they've provided me with some workout gear so that I don't actually have to travel with the bulk of running shoes. That's a nice in-room amenity here at Fairmont Royal Pavillion. And we'll take a quick peek in here. So a nice deep soaker tub. Again, more of that art. Really gives you a sense of place. I love that. And again, we've got the Rose 31 signature fragrance. So that's familiar to Fairmont. Some fresh cut blooms. And a shower. All right, I should definitely add that the suite I'm staying in is accompanied by butler service. Yes. If you're wondering how a butler can improve your visit, he or she can arrange to have your luggage unpacked and hung in the wardrobe, arrange for laundry service, ironing, shoe polish. They'll print boarding passes, reveal their favorite places to eat or drink, things to do here in Barbados, schedule a personalized wake-up call, and they'll also deliver in-suite dining to your room, but also to your patio if that's where you're hanging out. And I think we should wrap up this tour by showing you that outdoor space. So without further hesitation, let's check out this beach view here at Fairmont Royal Pavillion. Good morning. And that's my suite here at Fairmont Royal Pavillion.